You bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
I got sentenced on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. I got people saying, I don't care.
This male Karen is in court for stealing a car from an innocent stranger. He brings his kid with him to court, probably hoping for sympathy, and then completely loses it on the judge over the sentence he's given. This one gets real heated really fast, and just when you think it's over at the end, he shocks the entire courtroom with what he says next. I mean, the whole courtroom just gets completely stunned here. Even the judge pauses too. Most people don't know this, but using a child to gain leniency in court can actually backfire against you and make sentencing worse if the judge sees it as manipulation. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think bringing his kid should have helped him or hurt his case here? Because honestly, I don't really know. I mean, in his case, it might be a good idea. I don't really know though. Let's go ahead and dive in here though and watch this idiot male Karen get absolutely destroyed by this no-nonsense judge here.
Areas Travante Bryant. You will be 716 3361.
Michael Carvin, 3734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen. You better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now. And then we're gonna call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure. But I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next month.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Or less than 200, I'm sorry. He pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tri-Areas Travante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So, I
Okay.
understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, just as my client shares, the care and custody of 2 young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on our young family.
So it seems to me that this idiot bringing his kid to court was this dude's only defense to avoid jail time. Because the first thing his lawyer said was that he has a family and they need him badly. Like that magically erases Grand Theft Auto. It's just so predictable. I mean, yeah, okay, everybody has a family, but you know what everybody doesn't do? They don't go around stealing other people's car like it's Grand Theft Auto 5 on easy mode. I remember this one time, my neighbor left their keys in the ignition, and guess what? I still didn't take it. And also I was late for work, so that says a lot.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, we're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. That's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got it, bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. A bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by eating all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
Anybody else smell that? This dude's story smells fishy to me. Like when somebody says they accidentally walked out of Target with a flat screen TV. This dude is either lying or he's an idiot. And honestly, it might be both at the same time. Let me know what you guys think, because I just can't imagine why somebody would tell the court they were unemployed while secretly working. I mean, unless that work involves ski masks and bad decisions. Oh, wait. He was stealing and robbing. So yeah, I guess that checks out. I think I just solved the mystery like I'm on the off-brand version of Law & Order here, guys. I mean, in some states too, lying on government forms like unemployment apps can land you a felony and thousands in fines. I had a buddy back in the day claim he was unemployed while doing DoorDash, and let's just say he doesn't DoorDash anymore.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Sure, take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued to the 37th District Court 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on his lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good, good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like he become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25 and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to write over. 2B 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not gonna put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm gonna give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm gonna have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm gonna lock you up for 30 days. And we're gonna do this all day long. You're not gonna make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How was it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring them up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get.
Look, I got secret shit. You know, I don't care. You know, ain't not the moon. Keep on. People stop for me, bro. Be on. Run over flat. Stop. Run this shit over. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday. You got fuck on my system. Oh my man. Stop. Go away. Fuck with me.
All right, Mr. Klein, settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, dude. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta raise my life.
Making it ain't die.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I'm
See what you're doing?
I gotta prove
Knock
that
it
I'm
off.
worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Brian,
Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Brian, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
For real, maybe if you didn't steal in the first place, you wouldn't be sitting in court crying about consequences. Just a thought. And let me know if you guys agree with this male Karen who's sitting on the ground right now, or if you're siding with one of my favorite judges right now, because I'm fully team judge on this one. Like 40 days for stealing and having past felonies for stealing and robbing. It's just so wild to me. Like 40 days is nothing to that. Like I swear back in the day, my mom grounded me longer than that just for skipping class one time. I mean, I really thought he was gonna get at least a few months here, but maybe the judge was just feeling generous or something. And tell me I'm not the only one getting Italian mob boss energy from this judge here. Just the way he talks. It's like he's about to say forget about it and bang the gavel like a meatball hit the table. I once had a boss who talked just like this dude, and even when he told me I was late, I felt like I owed him lunch money or something.
Yeah, it is like, oh, ready? Yeah, bro. Go inside, to the side. It's real good fathers out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman could be anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
Yeah, 40 days is not enough for this idiot. Dude literally just got a timeout, not a sentence. And I'm also really surprised the judge just backtracked on his own warning like that. I mean, he literally said plain as day, you talk again, you're getting 30 more days in jail. And then just didn't even do it. Like, I don't know. It was kind of weird to me. Let me know what you guys think about that one. But another thing is, I would just not want to be the next poor soul walking into that courtroom. Especially not that guy sitting in the bottom center of the screen right there, who already looks like he's reconsidering every life decision. I just feel so bad for that guy, even though he's in jail. I mean, he's just about to get ripped to shreds after this one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one. Should this male Karen have gotten more time, or did the judge handle it right here and backtrack on his word? I kind of disagree with the judge, so I might be a little harsh. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you again so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Take care, everybody.